Today I will talk about how can you enable reminders notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. Then you come to next step here, you click here on notifications. So then you click here on threads and replace here. You come to this list, then you just go down. You keep going down, you come here to additional options and system settings. You click on it here. You come to this list, click here on notification categories down here. So you come here to reminders, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here reminders notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.